is the module about? Every day, we face various problems. One of these problems is how to make ends meet due to the rising cost of goods. We cannot postpone buying rice and viand. When someone gets sick in the family, we need to buy medicine or good food for him or her. In such situations, we may be forced to spend our savings.